Hi family, today we're making something special, extra special. Today we're making this full of the bone tender oxtail. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. Hit the video with a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let's jump right into it. We're going to start by patting our oxtail dry. These are nice and clean already. As you can see, I trimmed some of the fat. Try my best. Make sure you pat it dry. We don't want any water on there. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on here. There you go. Then you're going to mix. Now it's time to season. I have about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce going in, 4 garlic cloves minced going in, about a tablespoon of ginger. Going to add some parsley. We have some allspice going in. We got thyme. Make sure they're nice and clean. And I like to remove them from the stem. Just like this. I love the flavor of thyme, especially when I'm making my Haitian dish. To season, I'm using this JCS oxtail and stew seasoning. I love this seasoning so much. I'm going to just sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of that in here. Next, we are going in with some Sazon. Just sprinkle that on here as well. And also just a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Not too much. We also have some onion. I try not to add too much onion and bell peppers in my oxtail lately, and I'm loving it. Okay, this is 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper going in. And also I have some ketchup as well that we're going to add in. And then we're going to mix that together. Oh yes, it smells so fresh. It smells so good. All right, it's time to cover this and place it in the fridge. You can do this overnight if you like, but we don't have that much time today, so for about 30 to 40 minutes.
While that is marinating today, I'm super excited because I have partnered with Temu to share some amazing kitchenware items that have totally upgraded my cooking game, and I know y'all are going to love them. So first item we have is this 12-piece silicone utensil set. It was for only $12. The material looks very sturdy. I love the handle. Also, we have some salt and pepper containers and the oil and vinegar. They look so good in my kitchen. I love them so much. I cannot wait for me to be using them all the time. And we also have a scale. It is a digital scale. This is a really great scale, especially if you love baking, if you like making burgers, to weigh your meat. It is a really good scale. Also, it is battery operated. Now, this item right here is one of my favorite because I love chai tea lattes. It is a 17 clear glass mug. Now, you can make coffees. You can use this for oatmeal, yogurt. It is up to you. I love this so much. It's sturdy, it's thick. You can microwave it. It's really, really nice. Also, you need some kitchen shears, okay? Y'all know I use this a lot. If you don't have one, you need one today, because why you don't have a kitchen shears? Okay. Anyways, I do have this beautiful apron. As you can see, it is waterproof, y'all. I've never seen a waterproof apron. I don't know, maybe because I have not used them as often. But you know, I don't have to tell y'all, I am the queen in this kitchen, for real, for real. Anyways, we have this stainless steel paper towel holder. I think it looks so cute. I don't have one, and I cannot wait to actually put it on my cabinet. It's gonna look so cleaner and neater. It's stainless steel, it's black, it matches my kitchen perfectly well. This right here is a silverware organizer. I love that it is expandable. You can make it smaller or bigger to fit your drawer. All the spoons in there are from Temu. I have the 12-piece stainless steel spoons and also the bamboo kitchen utensils are from Temu. Now, when I said I had to get these, I had to get them, okay? You get 12 100% cotton dish towel, super soft, very easy to work with. I love them. These are some cute mittens that I got, especially when I'm baking with my daughter. I think she will love these. Heat resistant, perfect for baking. You can use it in the microwave. It is very safe, non-slip, perfect grip, you know. Now this item right here, I am excited about it. Y'all know Thanksgiving is coming. This is an extra large silicone stovetop cover. You can use it to dry your dishes. It is 28 by 20. It is heat resistant. It's perfect, okay? Especially for Thanksgiving when you have all the hot dishes, you can just place it on there and go about your day. I also got this shelf liner. It's super duper cute. It is mildew proof, moisture proof, very easy to just cut it and place it wherever you want to place it. It's waterproof as well. Love it so much. You guys know I use these a lot, especially in my videos. These placemat is lifesavers, especially if you have guests over, you want to plan a dinner party. They are washable, waterproof, dustproof. They're perfect, okay? So I'm gonna leave everything down below for you guys. Be sure to check them out. They're about 15 inches wide. I forgot to mention. I also got a garlic grinder. Very easy to mince some garlic to add it to your food. And these are everything that I got from Temu. Now, guess what? Temu has this special going on right now for every one of you guys who's watching today's video. All users get a $100 coupon bundle to stock up on kitchenware, home decor, and more. And now, if you're new to Temu, I've got something even more excited. One of my kitchen picks can be yours for only $1 today. Yes, you heard me, just $1. So go ahead and hit the link in the description box to grab your $100 coupon bundle. And if you're a new user, go ahead and snag one of my favorite picks for $1. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. It's time to pan sear my oxtail. So I have my cast iron on very, very high heat. Now I am going to be using a pressure cooker for this recipe, but I'm using a lot of oxtail. So we need space to pan sear our oxtail. So I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. Next, I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. The brown sugar is what's going to give our oxtail that beautiful browning color. Now I am going to add my oxtail right in. And I usually just add the oxtail. Don't add the veggies, not yet. Okay? You need that cast iron to be extremely hot, by the way. Ooh, it smells so good already. So good. You don't want to add too much, okay? I think that should be enough. One more, that should be enough. We're going to let that go until it's nice and golden. And I mean golden, dark golden brown, okay? I am ready to flip them over. Oh yes, this is the color we are looking for. Beautiful. Flip them over. And this is how we're looking so far. I'm gonna let the other side go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll remove it. All right, it's time for me to remove them. I am going to place it into my pressure cooker pot because I might as well, right? Why dirty another dish? So I'm going to place it in here. Looking good, as you guys can see. Beautiful.
Yeah, basically, I'm going to add the rest in here. All right, guys, it's time for me to remove the second batch of the oxtail. Now, I know y'all probably asked, how much was all this oxtail, Rose? Well, I spent about $65 for 4.5 pounds. Yeah. But I love when they thinly slice like this. They'll cook super duper fast. And that cast iron right here, I'm going to add in my veggies just to get that caramelization, all that flavor. I'm not just going to wash this off. We need all this, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in my onion and bell peppers right in here. So I can just basically caramelize this and remove the flavor, the crustification we have going on in here. Okay. I'm gonna get all this and nothing wasting. This is flavor right here, okay? Okay, y'all see all this we got going on in here? I am going to pour all this goodness. Like this, maybe. All right, I'm gonna add that on here. Yes, ma'am. Just gonna pour a little bit of water. And this is hot water, by the way. Don't use cold water. Warm it up, boil it, do whatever you gotta do. But it's hot water. We're going to pour that over and just pour that on here. Just like this. Now I'm going to add in 2 Scotch bonnet. I like to use the green one. It gives it that flavor. And then afterwards, if you want to pop it open for the spiciness, you can. I'm adding 2 bay leaves and some more of that allspice. And also I'm going to add a little bit of browning. Okay, we want that color, heavy on the color. Okay, if I can get that to open. Okay, I got it. Maybe. Oh, this is thick. Maybe 2 tablespoons. Alrighty. And now we add our water. I'm using 4 cups of hot water. Well, it might not be as hot. Warm water. Do not add cold water to this. We need the water to completely cover the oxtail, so 1 more cup of water going in. Oh, it looks so good already. Okay, let's cover this thing and let it do its thing, okay? I'm going to cook my oxtail for about 1 hour and 10 minutes, okay? 1 hour and 10 minutes, and we are going to start now. Now, I'll see you guys back in 1 hour. All right, guys, it's time for me to plate my oxtail. Ooh. It looks so good. It smells good. Wow. And it is falling off the bone. Y'all see this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Falling off the bone, y'all. I went ahead and simmered my sauce a little bit and put it back in here. I added a little bit of cornstarch in there though to make it, you know, more like a gravy. And let me tell you, mouth watering, tender, delicious. And also, this is how much oil, fat, whatever you want to call this, I removed from the oxtail, okay? So make sure you remove that before you serve your oxtail. Let's give this oxtail a try. Y'all know I tried it already, but you guys, so tender, falling off the bone. Bomb.com. Savory, flavorful, perfectly cooked, perfectly cooked. Oh yeah. So good, so delicious. You got to try. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. I will see you guys on the next delicious recipe. Bye, guys.